welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm revealing my voice by singing a song. Let's go. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. I'm going to sing a song in Telugu. కొలిచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని జీవనయానం చేయుదమా సాగరకొని సురగంగ చీరగా మలుచుకొని. Guys, comment down below.